Hello. I want to take a minute to talk about some functionality added in 4.46, which is our March 2024 release. Specifically, this one has to do with external documents. So think in terms of Word files, Excel, PDF, things like that that you want to attach into Vicinity so that you can print them on various screens, etc. This functionality of adding external documents has been around in Vicinity for probably 20 years. What we added based on a request from some clients was to be able to add an expiration date to any external documents. I happen to have the system-wide external documents screen set up where I've got a number of different reports that I've put into the system that can be accessed from various screens. The more important part of this is this new column where we have an expiration date. So any of these different reports, PDFs, Word files, Excel files can actually have an expiration associated with them. Kind of what's nice about that is the ability to be able to have kind of a follow-up time. So maybe it's a kosher certificate from a supplier, or maybe it's a product spec sheet that you want to make sure that you go back and review, things like that. Things that have got date sensitivity to it that you want a reminder that you need to go take a look at it, refresh it, review it, whatever. This is done, it's really simple. It's just a new field for expiration date with a date control, as you just saw, but it also manifests itself over in all of the component, all of the external document screens. So, for example, let me pull up a raw material, and in the documents section, this is where we have this compliance. If we have external documents, which would be here, so now we've got an expiration date attached to the component entry. So going back to, say, a vendor report or a certificate, you could add it here against that item, and you would have that available. Same thing against a formula. Really, any place you see external documents, we've added this expiration date. Now, if you use this new field in connection with Vicinity View, then you could have a view that says, show me all documents that are expiring next month, so I can get started on reviewing those and getting new versions into the system so that users are on the most up-to-date version of those. Anyway, this is a perfect example of clients coming to us with a specific requirement, asking for something to be extended, and that's how this came about. So feel free to reach out to us with any suggestions you've got. We love to hear them and get them into the application. Thanks a lot and have a great day.